All right, guys, happy to announce that we have released version 10.42 of IPX, the Influencer Profits extension for the Amazon Influencer Program. What a mouthful. Anyways, we are on version 10.42, as you can see here. You can uninstall, reinstall it, or you can wait for Google to push the update. Let me show you what we've added. Now, the feature is for search results. Now you're going to be able to do product research from these search pages. So let's just search for something on Amazon. And if I search for monitors, it's going to bring up a search page. Now, IPX is going to build this. Now, this feature was in the last version, but we've added a new feature where you can save your search results. That way you can build your own product list of products that you might want to review. So what we're looking for is we're going to be looking for products that have very little influencer videos, but sell a lot. So notice that when we did the search results for monitor, you can see that we built this table above each product. Now you can see that this particular monitor has a green dot. That means I have a video for that product. So we detect whether or not you have a video on a product page so you don't review the product again, which is kind of cool. But more importantly, let's take a look at each one of these tables. So you can see here that this particular monitor has a total of 5 videos and it has 3 influencer videos. So we may not want to review that. What we're kind of looking for is maybe this monitor here, it says total videos is 1. Now, if it only has 1 video, that might be just a merchant video, but there are no influencer videos. So we might want to check out that product. So what you're going to want to do is just go ahead and go through your search results. Let's take a look here. Let's see if we can just find something real quickly. And I did no pregame on this. Here's one. Here is a steady stand, 6 monitors. So take a look. There's total videos 3. There's only 2 influencer videos. So this might be a product that we want to investigate further. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click this star. Now that adds it to my favorites page so we can go back and review that or possibly purchase it. So to get to that favorites page, what you're going to do is click on IPX, the icon top right, click on that, and then you're going to see this star icon. So click that. Now this brings up a page. Now these are products that I've saved to my favorites. So all of these products here have been saved by clicking that star. So that's the newest feature in 10.42. Now the second feature you're going to want to pay attention to is for every one of these products, we have a related products button. Okay, see that? Now if you click that, so let's say we want to look at this monitor. We're going to click related products. It's going to build a table. These are all of the products that Amazon says are related to that product. Now, you're going to want to give it a little bit of time because there's a lot of things going on behind the scenes. So your computer's working right now. And what it's doing is it's looking at each one of these related products and it's building this table for you. So the first thing is it gives you the ASIN. So that is clickable. You can click that and go to that actual product page. So if you want to investigate further by looking at the table that IPX puts at the top, we give you the price, we give you the rating, we give you the review count. So you can see that this product has 298 reviews. And then we show you how many of those units have sold in the last 30 days. So that's very important. So we can see here, if we just do a quick glance, here's a product that has sold 500. Pretty interesting, right? Now, the last 4 columns are going to be even more critical. So the first one is TV, which is total videos. Now, if you take your mouse and put them over these, it'll explain what they are. So the first column is total videos. So this particular product has 5 videos. Then MV is the merchant video. Does the merchant have a video? So we tell you if they have more than one. And then IV is the influencer video. So how many influencers are on this product? And then YV is your video. Do you have a video in the top carousel? And notice they're all red. So I don't have any videos on those product pages. But what you can do with this table is just briefly glance down here. So here's 1 of 1. This product has, they sell 200 a month. There's only 1 video total and there's 0 influencer videos. So that might be a product you want to save. So you're going to click the star, add it to your favorites, and then maybe you're going to want to investigate that. Another cool find here is this one. This has 3 total videos and 3 merchant videos, 0 influencer videos. So that might be a product you want to buy or see if you can contact them to get a review copy. But I would add that to my favorites. So you can just go through this list. Here's another one. This sells 100 units per month. There's only 3 merchant videos, 0 influencers. So that's a product I might want to look at. Here's another one with 1 and 1. So 1 merchant video, 1 total video. So this one sells 50 a month, sells for $119. So you might consider that product as well. Add it to your favorites. So that's the newest feature of IPX version 10.42. And the next version's coming out here probably within the week. And you're going to love that update. And of course, all of these features are free. So enjoy it. Click the link below this video or whatever's in the Facebook post if you want to learn more or download and install this extension to your desktop Chrome web browser. All right, see you guys in the next video.